Hi, this is Sammy again. So today what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to change from improper fractions to mixed numbers. And then we're going to go from mixed numbers to improper fractions. Changing from mixed numbers to improper fractions, when you're multiplying and dividing fractions or mixed numbers, you need to change them to improper fractions to be able to do the operation of multiplying and dividing. So that's why it's very important to learn how to go from mixed numbers to improper fractions, but we'll explore both. Okay, so if we're doing, or if we switching from improper fractions to mixed numbers, what you need to do is ask yourself, first of all, just put a 2 there right away, because 2 under the fraction here, keep that in there. But then ask yourself, how many times does 2 go into 15? Of course, it doesn't go into it evenly, but what's the maximum number of 2's you could find in 15? So how many times does 2 go into 15? Of course, with the remainder. So 2 goes into 15 7 times, but 7 times 2 is 14. So you're 1 away from 15, and that's your remainder, and the remainder you just put it right on top of there. Okay, now I want you to try number 2, and then I'll come back to it and I'll tell you what the answer is. Okay, so take your time, pause, and do number 2. Okay. Now let's go to changing from mixed numbers to improper fractions. So when you're changing from a mixed number to improper fractions, again, you write an equal and you still put the 3 underneath. And you got to figure out what you're going to write on top. To figure out what you're going to write on top, you multiply this way, so 5 times 3, which is 15, and then you add that way. You add the product. So when you go 5 times 3, it gives you 15. Then you go 15 plus 2, that gives you 17. And so changing from mixed number to improper fraction, the 5 2/3 give you 17 over 3. So now you do number 2. I will pause, or you pause and do number 2, and then I will write the answer right after. Okay. So here are the answer for both of these. Hopefully you got them right. Okay, so now let me show you how you multiply and divide mixed numbers. So here's the question that when you're multiplying mixed numbers, the first thing you would need to do is change them to improper fractions. So 2 times 3 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. So that's 8. So that's going to be 8 over 3 times 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So that's going to be 9 times 4. Now, again, when we multiply in fractions, we always try to look diagonally and see if we could reduce. So yes, we could reduce. 4 goes into itself once, goes into 8 twice. And we should look this way as well. And 3 goes into itself once, it goes into 9 3 times. Now we have 2 on top times 3 is 6, and we have 1 times 1 on the bottom, which gives you 1, and 6 over 1 just going to give you 6. So that's your final answer. Now it's your turn to do this. So pause the video, and I will show you the answer at the end of this video to double check if you got it right. Okay, now we're going to go to division. So when you're dividing, again, what you want to do, you want to change to improper fractions. So 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So that's 11 over 4. Divide by 1 times 8 is 8 plus 7 is 15. So that's 15 over 8. When we're dividing fractions, we keep switch division to multiplication, flip. 15 over 8 becomes 8 over 15. Now we look diagonally this way, we cannot reduce, but if we look diagonally this way, we could reduce. So 4 goes into itself once, it goes into 8 twice. Now we cannot reduce anymore. At this stage, you just want to multiply the 11 to the 2 and you get 22. And you want to multiply the 1 into the 15 and you get 15. Now, if you want to change this to a mixed number again, 15 goes into 22 once with a remainder of 7 over 15. And now you try this one, pause the video, try this one, and shortly I'm going to post the answers. So just do this and then check the answers when you finish and make sure that you get the right answer. Okay. And that's it for today. Just working with mixed numbers and improper fractions. I hope this video will help you as a student, and I hope you gained from this. So here you go. The answer for this will be 63 over 4 as improper fraction. Mixed number, if we want to change this to mixed number, you're going to get 15 over 3/4. And then the one with division, the answer will be simply 3. So these are the two answers. I hope you get them right. If you didn't, just try again until you get the right answers. And now, don't forget to hit that like button, comment if you like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As always, thanks for watching. Till next time, bye-bye.